Tornadoes are violent storms that strike as a powerful rotating mixture of wind and thunderstorm clouds, extending from the clouds to the ground in a funnel shape. They are known to be the most powerful and destructive atmospheric-generated phenomena, wind systems, and are very common in the USA, particularly from the Middle Belt extending to the East Coast. Every year, there is an average of 800 tornadoes that hit various parts of the USA. Even though many of them are very mild and could be seen as just strong winds, there has been a few tornadoes that have been very devastating and flattened many homes, schools and structures along its path. Tornado incidents are distributed all year through, forming particularly in late spring, March, with the most incidents occurring in the summer, May and June, and reducing in numbers and strengths in the fall. It is a myth that a tornado cannot pass over features like valleys, mountains, lakes and rivers. When it passes over a lake or river, a tornado becomes a waterspout. Tornado Alley is the region in the middle of the United States where tornadoes are most frequent. However, every U.S. state and every continent except Antarctica has experienced a tornado. A tornado watch means that conditions are ripe for a tornado. A warning means that a storm has been spotted on the ground or via radar, and you should take cover immediately. Since the first tornado forecast was made in 1948, tornado warning lead times have been increasing and now average 13 minutes. However, they have a 70% false alarm rate, which may lead some people to take them less seriously than they should. Mobile homes aren't more likely to get hit by a tornado than any other type of building, but their flimsy structure provides little protection against strong winds and flying debris. It's also a bad idea to take shelter in a car, which can be easily tossed about, or under a bridge, where a person would be vulnerable to flying debris or a bridge collapse. The worst tornado outbreak was on April 3 and 4, 1974, which saw 147 tornadoes across 13 states. The single deadliest tornado killed 695 people in Missouri, Illinois and Indiana on March 18, 1925. A tornado that struck Washington, D.C. on August 25, 1814, is credited with driving the British invaders out of the city and preventing them from carrying out further destruction. They had burned the White House and much of the city the day before. The city of Greensburg, Kansas was flattened by a tornado in 2007, but instead of abandoning the town, the people are rebuilding with an emphasis on green technology. As many as 60 tornadoes ripped through Louisiana, Texas and Mississippi on Sunday, while severe storms also hit parts of Alabama, Georgia and the Carolinas. Hundreds of thousands of households were without power on Monday morning. The Mississippi Emergency Management Agency (MSEMA) confirmed 11 deaths across 6 counties on Monday. Among them were Lawrence County Sheriff's Office Deputy Robert Ainsworth and his wife, Paula. Robert left this world a hero, as he shielded Mrs. Paula during the tornado, said the sheriff's office on Facebook. An additional 8 were killed in South Carolina, 6 in Georgia and 1 in Arkansas. Last week, the American Meteorological Society (AMS) issued guidelines for taking shelter during the coronavirus pandemic. The vast majority of residents in the U.S. are under stay-at-home orders. Do not let the virus prevent you from seeking refuge from a tornado, the AMS said. It advised making shelter plans in advance in homes or with neighbors, friends or families. Public shelters in many communities are closed because of lockdown measures. MSEMA urged people to continue to follow social distancing guidelines, even if they need to seek safety in a public shelter. Alabama Governor Kay Ivey declared a state of emergency on Sunday that suspended COVID-19 mitigation measures that may have prevented people from gathering in public shelters in the state.